Like a bullet train, moving like the speed of sound.
You want to line up the holes, you don't want it to be off at all, because then that's bad. And you want to make sure it's lined up nice. There we go. That's one side done. Like I said, look, bam, done. On that side. Oop. Turn over, do the same thing to this side. And then you're done for the optical drive. DVD drive. Sorry. Competing terms. And you also want to make sure it's straight. I was kind of off there, I don't know why. Alright, there we go. And like I said, screw it until it is nice and tight, but not too tight, because then you would strip the hole you putting it in, and then it'll be a pain to remove, and also to put back a new optical drive or any hard drive or anything. Okay, and that's it. We got optical drive, the two hard drives, one 250, one 350 gigabyte hard drive installed. And then we're going to install the motherboard. And then we're we're halfway finished. So can't you believe that? Hey guys, okay, now we're gonna install the graphics processing unit. Now I need to make sure the system works first of all with the hardware it has, because I'm not adding anything new to this. So that's why I'm installing the old graphics card, which is the same connection as the new one I have. So pretty much I'm gonna shift it over here so you can see. All you need to do is remove one of these back panels over here, and then it goes into this PCI Express slot, and pretty much it goes in right here. And you need to line it up, get this behind this so it lines up with the notch, like so. You need to push down. Hold on. Make sure it's in first. Oh, there we go. And push down like so until you hear that little snap right there. And then what you would do, you would screw this down, but this case is special in some way because it just does not want to go down there. I don't know why. I don't know, something unique about it. So that's pretty much how you install the graphics card. You want to screw it down though, because you want to make sure it's nice and secure and everything. Now let's start connecting up the power and everything. Now we're going to install the power supply. So this is a Cooler Master, look right here, Cooler Master 460 watt power supply. So the way this works, right? It has a grill a honeycomb grill in the back here that blows air out, and power switch. And the way this works is, this is an intake fan, right? So it intakes air and blows it out here. And so how the way you would want to install it, like so. Okay, you want to install it like so, because you wanted to take the air out of the computer itself and push it out. You don't want it to push it in at all. There you see the holes have lined up. Oop, sun is in. Okay, sun is too bright. So you see a hole line up there, there, and the screws you're going to use for this are going to be these small ones on here. Not those. Let me see if we could right here. You take into consideration, if you're getting a graphics card, for example, you need to take into consideration the amount of wattage that you need for that graphics card. Now, here is the most complicated part, at least for me personally. So let's connect up the fan. Here, do you see? Right there. Okay, and it only goes in one way because it has these two little notches on it. Let's put that in the dark place. These two notches on it, like you can see. So it goes in like this. Front sound and everything. The jack for the sound and stuff. It has one notch missing right. Okay, there we go. The audio is plugged in. Now, depending on what kind of motherboard you have, it'll take 24 pins like that, okay? Or it'll just take one of these. And mine, it takes both actually. Like so. Now you don't want to press down too hard because you could end up breaking your motherboard, and that's never good. Right there, okay? These Molexes are providing power to this. Now, you could also use these to provide power as well. And now to connect this hard drive, which, like I said, it connects with SATA. So now the moment of truth. I connected up the power supply and everything, and the sound and everything, and now we're gonna turn it on. I put my sound on, I put my keyboard, mouse, HDMI, and then the power supply right there. Now the moment of truth. Will it turn on or will it not turn on? And there we go, live. Oh, you can see, you can hear the stuff turning and everything. On the screen, look, bam, it's on.